Welcome to your weekly oracle reading. Hope you all are doing well. Hi, if you don't know, my name is Lauren. I started this second channel here on YouTube to focus on energy healings. I'm known for my tarot readings over at the Clarity Cure, but I'm here trying to build this channel to really physically help people. The oracle readings are to deliver healing messages that could bring insight to where you are on your journey and to be a little bit more inspirational for you as it might relate to where you are. And of course, the more you're here, the more I'll pick up on your energy and you will receive messages specifically for yourself. Okay, so I'm shuffling my energy frequency cards. Let's see what chakra needs to be focused on. True state of being, energy 963. So this is your overall energy body, which actually would correlate well with this healing session I just did for your overall chakra system, cleansing, being honest about where you are on your journey. True sense of being will help you kind of connect to that purpose and that sense of belonging. Okay, so let's see what else we have coming in for you today. We're going to do some angel messages as well. I wonder if I should do let me do my oracle message from Colette Baron Reed's deck first. We want a little bit more insight as to the overall energy body and what chakra needs to be focused on, so it can just narrow down a little bit more for you. I'm sorry for any outside noise. I do have all the windows closed, but my neighbors sound like they're doing some spring cleaning in their yard. All right, let's see what we have here. Oh, serendipity. I love that. So this is all about good luck and karma. This is about you getting exactly what you want. I love this message for you. Hopefully you can see it. There's no shadow. Still working on the whole lighting situation here. I'm living back on the East Coast, and yeah, it's a little different than what I'm used to as far as, you know, the sun being out 24/7, so to speak. In Vegas, it's been a little gloomy here. It seems like it rains a lot. Anyway, serendipity is good luck and fortune headed your way, okay? So this is about your overall energy being bolstered, so to speak. Let's see what the angel messages are. Serendipity, 963. Like a breakthrough. A breakthrough for you is coming. I love that. Break the true state of being. By connecting to your true state of being, you will find the bliss and happiness that you need, and the fortune and the good luck. Okay, that goes without saying. But that dedication sometimes is hard to get to that point of that true state of being, because you really have to be living on a soul level. And a lot of people find that hard because there's so many outside distractions, the world, the job, the commitments, the friendships. So I get that, because it's committing to your sense of faith and hope about where you are on a soul level. All right, so what can help to get to that place? I got the angel cards here. Steady progress. Okay, so steady wins the race. I love that. What a beautiful message. Okay, sorry if there's any shadow, but I think that's good. Let me read this to you. Steady progress. We acknowledge you for the progress you've made in remembering love in your daily activities. We can clearly see the contribution you're making to the world through your thoughts, feelings, actions of love, and for yourself, okay? Because this is all about a true state of being, you being honest with yourself. Yes, it's about love for others, but it's also love for yourself. Okay, very, very important here. I'm going to now grab the angel answers, my little pocket deck here. So please think of a question that you'd like an answer to, and I think I dropped a card. Yes, one moment, please. Oh, steady wins the race. I love that. Hold on. Okay. We're going to shuffle. We want a fresh shuffle. Okay. Think of your question. Focus, focus, focus. Think of your question. What do you want to know today? What's in the best and highest good for all my listeners to answer their question today? All right, here we go. Abundance. Abundance is before you. Okay, so that's really quite positive. This can come in many forms of fashion, like we talked about with serendipity. For those of you that are financially looking for abundance, that's going to work here for you, as well as love or any kind of commitment in love. Yeah. I'm going to say coins, baby. There's money coming. Because if you look very closely, you can see all the coins falling out of her little basket there. Can you see that? That's really amazing. So if you've been under financial stress, know that it's going to get better. You have some good luck coming your way. And finally, let's see. Gabby Bernstein, I finally remembered. I put the link in the, did I put the link to her cards? You have to go to my Amazon shop. If you guys are interested, the link is in the bio below if you want to get this deck. It's really nice. I like it. Daily Affirmation Cards by Gabby Bernstein. Miss Gabby girl. Real simple and to the point. All right, let's see. What is the message today? Okay. Focus, focus. What is the message for you today from your angels and spirit guides? All that I love is more important to me than all that I fear. Ooh, somebody needs to hear that. Yeah, overcoming fear, fear of abandonment, fear of any kind of resentment or being really hard on yourself, okay, can really tear you down. So this is a great mantra. If you want to screenshot that, focusing in on the love, just like you do here with Steady Progress. We acknowledge you for the progress you've made in remembering love in your daily activities, okay? And know, okay, that the love is stronger than the fear. And there's a lot of fear in the world going on right now. There's a lot of, I don't know, unnecessary drama that's playing out. I would just stay away from the news as best as you can, or any kind of like fear mongering. Just focusing on yourself. And I think you got it, because this is saying you are making great progress with your life, staying on task to heal your energy body. And that's what it's all about. Because once this is good, then you're strong and you can, you know, you can survive in this crazy world and accomplish anything that you want to do. I love you all. We'll see you next week.